Hello viewers, this Dow Too Fast here. In today's video, I will be replacing the backup light on this 2019 Honda Odyssey. Now the original backup bulbs that come with this vehicle are not very bright and has kind of a yellowy color because they are incandescent bulbs. I'll be replacing it with these high power Auxbeam LED lights. This install is very simple, but before I begin, let me show you what the original backup light looked like. Here's a look at the original backup lights. Let's have a closer look at this Auxbeam 7440 LED lights. It has 5 sides all around. Each side has 6 LED chips, so a total of 30 LED chips all around. Looking at the top, we have this large projector lens. Behind it, we have 3 additional LED chips, and together it outputs light 360 degrees all around. The overall construction here is all metal to help dissipate heat. Now this light that I have here outputs a pure white light. So let's connect this to my 12-volt power supply and I'll show you what the light output looks like. I should mention this LED light is polarity sensitive, so if you install it, it doesn't light up, you need to pull it out, flip it the other way around, and reinstall it. As you can see, it's very bright, puts out a nice white color. Now replacing these backup lights is very simple. First open up the hatch. With the hatch open, on the panel at the back here, there's a cover you can remove. Use a flathead screwdriver and carefully pull the cover off. This bulb socket you see here is for the backup light. Twist it counterclockwise and this will come out. Remove the bulb. Install the new LED lights. Now these lights are polarity sensitive, so if you find that it doesn't light up, remove the bulb and flip it over. Now reinstall the lights. And then put the cover back on. Here's a look with the LED light installed on the driver's side. Repeat the same procedure on the other side. And here's a look with LED backup lights installed on both sides. As you can see, these Auxbeam LED lights are super bright. It's a lot brighter than the regular incandescent bulb that came with the vehicle. Installation is also very easy on this 2019 Honda Odyssey. It only took a couple minutes to get them replaced. This 7440 LED bulb is used on many Honda Odyssey vehicles. So if you're interested in installing these on your vehicle, check out the link to where you can get them in the description below. Thank you for watching, and remember to click on the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.